Imagine your auto repair shop lost in a sea of ads. Now, what if AI handed you the ultimate map? Welcome to Durham, North Carolina, where AI is rewriting the rules for local shops. AI-powered search isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Picture your shop popping up first when someone searches for car repairs nearby. That's not magic, that's AI, dialing in on hyper-local customers instantly. Here's the twist. It learns, adapts, even predicts what your customers want before they say a word. America's Best Shops is tapping into this power right now, growing faster than ever. Think your neighborhood won't change? Think again. Customers no longer scroll forever. They want instant, reliable answers, and AI delivers. Suddenly your phone is ringing off the hook. But what if you're not on AI's radar? You might as well be invisible. This technology is leveling the playing field, with even small shops breathing down the necks of big chains. The question isn't if you'll adapt, it's how fast. Can your shop afford to ignore AI's ultra-precise local search? Or will you lead Durham's auto repair revolution? The future is local, powered by AI. Are you ready to grow? Don't just watch the change, be the change. What will your next move be?